video, we're going to be going over the Fade Adapt. The Adapt is the largest pack in the Fade collection, and in this video, we're going to be taking a deeper dive into some of the main features of this pack and the why behind its design. The Fade Adapt was designed to allow you to discreetly carry a larger firearm while maintaining a low profile. The larger volume of this pack allows you to carry additional gear in conjunction with the firearm in the main compartment, as well as a sidearm in the back panel. The Adapt is the largest pack in the Fade collection, and thanks to its expandable base and internal scabbard, it has the ability to carry a full-size rifle with a folding stock. With the base expanded, this has the ability to carry up to a 27-inch firearm, such as a folded 16-inch MCX or SCAR, or even an unfolded 11.5-inch AR-15. Whether you want to carry a sidearm independently or in tandem with your rifle, the back panel is the ideal spot to store that pistol. Whether you use a Velcro in holster or some other Velcro mounting solution for that pistol, it gives you quick and easy access to that firearm. One of the things we set out to do with the Fade Adapt was to create a professional and modern looking pack that avoids unwanted attention while still giving you those tactical features that you want out of a concealed carry pack. One of the ways we accomplished that was by using a 210 denier aerobic nylon ripstop as the shell fabric for this pack to keep the bag sleek and lightweight while still maintaining plenty of durability. This pack features carry handles on both the top and the sides to allow you to easily move this bag around even when it's loaded down with all your gear. This bag also features a soft lined top pocket for rapid access to your sensitive items. The front pocket features an additional internal pocket for small item storage. This pocket's constructed of a translucent ripstop to allow you to see what items you have inside that pocket. This pack also features an ergonomically designed shoulder strap with a removable and adjustable sternum strap. The back panel is constructed of a padded air mesh for additional comfort and breathability. The back panel features a loop-lined interior, just like you'll find throughout the rest of this pack. This is ideal for using our variety of accessories to customize the interior of your pack and organization, as well as mounting a Velcro-mounted holster or other Velcro mounting platform for your handgun. The back panel also gives you access to the body armor sleeve, which allows you to insert and conceal a soft armor panel. The back panel also features a T-puller zipper to give you rapid access to the back panel. The neat thing about this is that you are able to untie this and move it to any of the other zippers throughout the pack, which is ideal if you are carrying a firearm in the main compartment and want to give yourself rapid access to that compartment. Before moving on to the main compartment, I wanted to point out these side straps. These are dual purpose in the sense that they allow you to carry additional gear on the side of your pack, as well as keeping the main compartment from opening beyond what you want it to. By unbuckling the side buckle, it allows you to fully open the front of this pack. And if you remove this bottom buckle as well, you can actually fully open the side wing like this for full access into the pack from the side. If you wanted complete access to your pack, you could do the same by unbuckling the two buckles on the other side and then opening up that zipper. This allows complete access to the inside of the main compartment. Some of the main features you're going to find inside this main compartment is that same loop-lined interior, as well as an 11.5-inch wide laptop sleeve. And on these side wings, there's these pouches that are perfect for a water bottle or other gear. If you're wanting to carry a full-size weapon, the best way to do that would be accessing this scabbard behind the laptop sleeve. Inside there, you'll find the weapon retention strap that features the quick disconnect buckle. This strap is both removable and adjustable. If you were looking to carry a larger firearm in that scabbard up to 27 inches, the way you would do that would be by unzipping this base right here with the hidden zipper and expanding that down. This pack also features a structured bottom panel to allow the pack to stand up on its own, prevent any barrel from printing out the bottom, and provide an additional layer of protection to any gear you may be carrying inside the bag. There's a small amount of padding throughout the body of the pack to give the pack an additional structure and another layer of protection for whatever you're carrying inside the pack. The Adapt also features pass-throughs on either side of the pack to allow for any kind of cables or hydration to pass through into the main compartment. As you can see, I have the black colorway in front of me. You can check out the additional available colorways on our website. If you guys want to learn more about the Fade Adapt or any of the other bags in the Fade collection, go ahead and check them out on our website at eberlestock.com.